What up, VeVe fam? Today we got the Daredevil comic drop in less than 1 minute. So you want to line up the, oh my god, my dog. You want to line it up like that. One guy said that I got so many drops with my nails that he's going to go to the nail salon and get nails. I was laughing, let me tell you. Okay, 44 seconds. So see, you line it up. I'm gonna wait till it's closer. So I sold all the recent drops that I got, and I'm excited to be able to take my gems out at some point. But for now, just trying to get drops and flip them. And you guys love these videos. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? We got 19 seconds. And I have high-speed internet. I think that's what the secret is here. That's it. I'll do that. I usually start at 5 seconds. I got the last comic. Here we go. Lightning finger speed. Son of a bitch. The hell? Maybe I didn't get this one. The last time this happened, my screen went black. But I was so fast. I'm gonna do this for like 5 minutes and see what happens. My dog's like, what the hell are you doing? Oh shit, it went black again. Look at that. What'd I say? It went black again. Son of a bitch.